Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Hartman, and this is our overview of week 2, as well as I'm going to talk about the correct way to share your documents, embed your documents in your website to make sure that I can see everything. Because the biggest thing is if I cannot see your assignment, if you put a document, a Google document, on your website and it's not shared correctly, I won't be able to see it. If I can't see it, I can't grade it. I think you can see how that's a bad thing. So let's first talk about what you're doing in Module 2, week 2, call it week 2, Module 2, it's all the same thing. And we're talking about how to share everything correctly. First, I'm in the week 2 assignment page. Let me backtrack. I just want to mention again that my office is in B164. I am in my office mainly Monday through Friday, almost every day, 9 to 3. My specific office hours are Tuesday and Thursday from 9 to 3. I'm always reachable by email. If you have any questions or problems, just let me know. I'm always going to mention this in all my videos, but just want to remind you how to get a hold of me because I'm always here to help you out. First things first, as you're seeing, this video was created by another professor, Tommy Hansen. That's not me. I haven't shown my face in this video just because my office is really dirty, but you'll get to meet me, don't worry. But this video was created by another professor, and I live there on how to create and share documents. I'm just going to take you through what is you need to do and how to be successful in week 2 and how to make sure that I can see everything on your website. So first, in week 2, you need to make sure that you read, go to the template, get the template, do the assignment. It's a 10-point assignment. You go to Module 5 to get all the information. So I would just click here, go to Modules, scroll down to Module 5, read the project, pick one, do the report they're asking you to. You get to pick the assignment, you get to pick the report, I should say. I'm going to go back here to week 2. And down here is the rubric. So you can see how you get your 10 points. So make sure you address those 5 issues. Okay? Make sure you have everything so that you get the full points. It's a very straightforward, so kind of getting going with the course, not a difficult assignment at all. Please make sure you do it. And now let's talk about how you're going to make sure that everything is in your website correctly. Now, first things first, right here, I just created a kind of a fake faux Google document. As you can see, it's not a real report, but it's going to help us out. Now, also I have a practice site, TE206 Practice Now, where I'm going to put a lot of things to help you out. And my site is not going to be super polished because it's just kind of there for practice. I'll put a lot of stuff up, take a lot of stuff back down, just so that I can show you how to do everything. Now, once you have created your report or your Google document, you have 2 perfectly fine, acceptable ways to submit your assignment. First is submit by posting the link to your Google Doc in your website. Now, I want to make sure you understand, if I simply go here and click copy, and then I go here and I do a text box and I click and I paste it, that's not going to work. What I have here will not show up because what I have right now is an unshared Google Doc. If you submit this to me, I will click on it and it'll say, not viewable, please click to request access, and I'm not going to be able to give you any points. So that means you're going to get a 0 on the assignment. So we obviously don't want that. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go back to my little fake document here, and I'm going to click on this share button. So right now it says private to only me. So it means nobody else can see my wonderful paper here. So I'm going to click share. And the easiest way to do it is I'm just going to click get a shareable link. And anyone with the link can view. I'm going to copy the link. And now I'm going to go back to my practice site. If I were to do this one, the biggest difference here is you see this word here, sharing. That means that somebody else could go here and click on this and see it. Now, this, if I have it like this, is very, very ugly. It's acceptable, but only barely. This is not what I want your website to look like because that would not make a very good professional resource. So what I want to do instead of doing anything like that, I want to do something like this. Week 2 research assignment. And then I want to put in a link. Actually, I want to do it like this. Sorry, I want to click there. I want to insert a link. I'm going to copy and paste that link. I'm going to click apply. And now I have a link to my Google document. I think you would agree that is a much, much better way of making my assignment look correct. Now, what I can also do, I'm going to go ahead and do another text box. I'm going to show you how to embed. So I'm going to go back here to my week 2 assignment. I'm going to click done. I'm going to go here to file, and I'm going to publish to the web. And I want to get an embedded code right here. So let's go back for a second. So what I did, I have my week 2 assignment. I'm going to go to file, and I'm going to go to publish to the web, and I want the embed code. So I'm going to click publish, and it says, are you sure? I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to copy that, Control C or right click. And I can go here to embed code. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to click next. I'm going to insert it. And now I have I'm going to shrink this down a little bit. All right. And now I'm done. And the people, when they go in, they can click it and it'll make it bigger and they can scroll up and down. And this is actually, again, not in a practice setting, is going to look much, much better, much more professional. Either of these two are options, and they'll look nice and sharp because they'll have your one-page research paper, not just a little bit of sample text. And that is how you're going to, for every single week, going to turn in your assignments. Again, if you turn in an assignment to me and I cannot see it because you did not share it correctly, with the one of the two methods I just showed you, and they're also, that's what they talk about here too, those are your options on how you can submit your assignments. So that's what you're going to do for week 2. I hope that helps. Watch these videos. Watch this one in here to get the ST standards if you need. Please make sure you read all of this so that you know exactly what to do. For every single assignment, you're going to answer those questions. When you submit the link, it says your message must be a link to your assignment on your Google site. Do not paste the link to your overall Google site, but to the specific page. So in this case, it'll be the week 2. So you'll submit the link to your week 2 assignment. And now you do is tell me save time and energy and grading your assignment. So thank you for your help. Make sure you put this on your assignment. You put the name of the project of week 2. With the research project, tell me which one you did. The module number is module number 5. It's a 10-point project. And you will, that's why you put the ISTE standards on your first, in your website, which ISTE standard most closely matches each project that you created. So there's some example, and why. All right, and then if you need help to get the ISTE standards, those are there. All right, my video is reaching the 9-minute mark. I always try to stop them short of 10 minutes. I hope that helped. And I will be posting videos just like this for every single week. And I will go over again how to embed and put in the links and everything so you do everything correctly. Again, please make sure that if you have questions, if you need help, ask me for help. Do not wait until Sunday evening to do this so that if you need help. And I will look forward to seeing you again next week and I'm looking forward to you working more online.